Welcome to Gemini Architectural Design. Now we start our AutoCAD Series 2. Today I learned some tools for drafting tools, how to make a rectangle, some modifications command like trim, extend. Now we start for the rectangle command. Rectangle command, press D for dimension, and then given the value for the rectangle is 10 by 10. See, let's make a rectangle for 10 by 10 like a square. Suppose you want to make a rectangle in a rectangle shape, so then you press difference value is a 10 by 20. First value you have to give in is a x coordinate and second value is a y coordinate. In the rectangle command, friends, if you want to change a width for the rectangle, press W for the width. I want 2 first corner and second corner. It's rectangle. Let's make a rectangle, but line width is 2. Now again we press a rectangle command with the same. Again you want to change your width in an original form. You press again width in a 0 value. See, let's make a rectangle. Now we want to rotate this rectangle. Rotation command, select object and pick a line and give in the value for the rotation. Give the value for the angle. It's a 50 degree. Now it's rotate. So I check it exactly is a 50 degree. Yeah, is a 50 degree rotation angle. Suppose I want to 90 degree. Pick a value and press 90. Is a 45. First click, second click and drag. His total value is 45. This angle is 45. I have to check. I want to remove this line to this point, and this point to this point. Use our trim command. Now I make a different shape. The trim command. Trim enter. Trim enter. Select object, press enter and delete. Which one you want to delete? This is a trim command. Is extend command. Choose extend command and I want to extend this line from here Now in extend command, it's very necessary that you have a boundary. Without boundary you can't extend. See, this line is not extend, this line is not extend, because there is no boundary from this, there is no boundary from there, there is no boundary from downside. Okay, in extend, if I click here, it's extend from here. If I click here, it's extend for there. This is extend. Okay, now I make some project. Suppose I want to make this is a 1400 by 700. First you set your unit as a millimeter. Okay, then use a line command, is a 1400 by 700. Then 1400 and get the value of offset and make a hatch command. Now I make from this is a top view, I complete it, and this one for the front view. Use a line command. Line command. Offset is 100. And offset is 100. Now complete this part. Offset is 100 and this offset is 40. TR12 enter command, trim. I complete this one. Then offset is 75. Length is 750. linear 1400. $40, $75, $750. Its total length is there today is 750. Offset 750. Trim command. $750. Here to here is a 710. Now is a 710. After the complete the figure, fill hatch here. Okay, so now use in this figure is line command, hatch command, offset, trim, extend. Now friends, you easily learn these commands from this image, from this object. Thank you very much to showing this videos. Thank you very much to friends.
Okay, if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe our channel. And this is our website. This is courses, architectural courses, AutoCAD, photo. We have architectural courses, AutoCAD, Photoshop, Dialect, Cities Max, Rhinoceros, video lighting, Revit architecture, and other courses also is there. And this is our YouTube channel. This is Gemini Architecture. Please subscribe our channel and press on bell icon. Thank you for watching our video.